On today's video, I'll be showing you this easy salmon stir fry recipe packed with over 50 grams of protein. Now, I'm 5'10", about 170 pounds, so my daily calorie intake I've calculated for maintenance is around 2,800 calories with approximately a 40-40-20 split. What that means is 40% of those calories comes from protein, 40% comes from carbohydrates, so equal protein and carbs, and the remaining 20% come from fats. I'll include more information in the link below, and don't forget, all of this information can be found in my book Ultra Lean, which also includes a 12-week nutritional plan and everything you need to know about mastering your metabolism, which at the end of the day allows us to gain better control towards building and maintaining lean, healthy muscle mass and starving off or burning our body fat, which essentially is just stored energy. Okay, with that being said, let's get started on our first recipe of the day. Stir-fried vegetables, egg noodles, and this, our Trifecta Salmon, finishing off the dish. With that being said, let's dive right in and take a look at the ingredients needed for today's recipe. Eight ounces of organic, pre-cooked Trifecta Salmon, 150 grams of egg noodles, 2 baby bok choys, 3 to 4 long-stemmed broccoli, 1 medium-sized carrot, 2 cloves, fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon hot sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We're going to start by weighing out the egg noodles and getting them cooking in the pan. 150 grams, dry weight. Perfect. Let's get them in the pan. We're going to pour in 2 cups of water. Put the egg noodles in. Cover them. We'll turn that down to a simmer once the water starts to boil. Step 2 is prepare our vegetables. We're going to take the 2 baby bok choys. We're going to quarter them. Take out our long-stemmed broccoli. Then we're going to take our carrot, cut the ends off, and then continue to half it, splitting it down the middle each time. As our vegetables prepared, let's get some oil heated in the pan and transfer the vegetables into the pan. Place our pan down, turn on to a medium heat, and then this dish traditionally uses sesame oil. We're going to use coconut oil. There's our bok choy in, then our chopped long-stemmed broccoli, and finally our chopped carrots. So we've got our egg noodles cooking, our vegetables in that stir fry with the coconut oil, smelling delicious. We're going to move on to our special sauce now. We're going to start with 150 ml of water. We're going to add in our low sodium soy sauce, hot sauce, cornstarch, and our 2 cloves of garlic. So let's start with our soy sauce. I'm going to mix that all up. Put that to one side while we move on to our garlic. Just using a sharp knife. I want to get 2 or 3 nice big cloves. So I'm actually going to use a garlic press. We need to remove the outer shell by peeling the skin open like that. Open up the garlic press. We'll do 1 at a time. And as we press down, in it goes. Now we're going to add this in to our vegetables. So now we're going to sieve our pasta like so. I'm going to drain a lot of the excess water, but not too much. We don't want to dry out the egg noodles. So that looks good there. Now let's check on the vegetables before we transfer the egg noodles into the pan. All right, so now all that's left to do is transfer our noodles and vegetables into our bowl and finish it off with our salmon. Easy. I mean, look at this. Can you believe this is all one meal? All that's left to do, take our 8 ounces Trifecta Salmon. I'm gonna break it up. I'm gonna even it out across our plate here. Therefore, we get a nice big bite of salmon, egg noodles, vegetables, full flavor. That is looking good. Oh, it smells incredible. Can you believe how easy this is? I mean, this took 15 minutes. Minimal effort. Even if you've never cooked a meal before, give this a try. Get the ingredients, weigh them out, follow these simple steps, and look at what you end up with. And that's another great thing about Trifecta. Not only the quality of the food, the organic meats, the variety, the range, but it comes ready cooked. I mean, we just got it out the pack. I broke it up, put it on the meal, and voila, this is restaurant ready. I can't wait to dig in. Check out more of our videos here on my channel, along with my fitness app and all programming. And I can't wait to share more recipes and talk more about diet and nutrition with you. Do subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, leave some feedback. I'll be sure to review them all. I'll see you guys soon.